YouTube, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. As you guys can see, it is a different kind of haul we're doing today. This is a sunglasses haul. I do wear glasses. I'm not 100% blind, okay? I am at least maybe 70 to 80% blind, okay? So I do wear glasses. I have my glasses. I will show you guys right here on the screen. The glasses that I have is from Michael Kors, and I got that from Lens Crafter with my lens and frame and everything. That joint cost me almost $600. You hear me? $600. And y'all know, even with insurance and everything, they really don't cover everything that you have with your prescription. So thank you today to Fytoo. I hope that's how they pronounce that company name, for sending us like about 6 pairs of glasses today for us to try on. They did put my prescription in like 3 of it, and then the other 3 is a regular sunglasses. So I am gonna show you guys everything. Thank you again to Fytoo. A discount code for them will be right here on the screen and also in the description box, so you guys will be able to get some money off. They are very affordable sites. Their glasses start from about maybe $5. How about we get into this video? If you want to see what they send us from Fytoo to try on for you guys, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. Guys, look at the prices. Look at the prices of those glasses. They are very, very, very affordable. And if you don't think their lens is good enough for you, you could just buy. You could buy the frame over here, which is very cheap, and you could take it to your doctor, and they will put your prescription in there for you. Oh, this is kind of cute and funky. I kind of like that. I won't buy this. Kind of childish, kind of. But yeah, you guys can see, really nice, really cute sunglasses. They are for adults. They have for men. If you're a guy and you like glasses, or you don't even need to put your prescription in these glasses. You could just wear it as a fashion. You know, I work in front of a computer a lot at my job. So if you are somebody that does look at computer a lot, they have Blu-ray glasses where they'll put the screen will be that will protect your eyes from the screen of the computer. So you could go ahead and do that also. These are for okay, y'all. Let's get into this. So this is how their box come. It does have their name on it. Fytoo. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name so wrong. Your box is gonna come with a measuring, how to like know the distance between your eyes, and also in your box it comes with your cleaning cloth. You guys know if you wear glasses, you know you need this in your cloth. And the best part is it comes with a screw. I have never seen any mirror glasses that comes with a screw. If it's coming off, if your glasses is, you know, sometimes the screw does come on loose. So instead of you taking it to the eye place, you already have a screw. Oh, this is so cool. It does. It's a $10 off a $75 coupon right here. You'll see the code right there. Your glasses come in this little pouch right over here that says Fytoo on it, and then it comes in this little plastic bag. This is a clear glasses right here. This is what it looks like. It does have like a peach accent right on top of it right there.
De villa eisen little fingers. Door de witte galas. All in enge broms maat på de beste hand.
I really like these glasses. It's really cute, really nice on me, and I could see. That's the most important part. I could see. I love it. So cute. It is oversized. But this is what this one looks like. It's really cute. Everything, the direct link would definitely be in the description box for you guys. So I am in love. Wow, I really like this glass. Oh my god, it is so cute. I love the oversized shape that it has. It has a little detail like a wire situation, and it does have like an opening right here. Am I touching it? Yeah, it does have like an opening right here. It has like, it's a turtle shell situation, and it's like a square kind of thing going on right here. What y'all think about this second one? Because baby, I'm feeling this right now. Oh my god. I really like this one too. I cannot lie. I really like this one too. This is so cute on me. Said, you guys let me know what y'all think. It has the opening right here also, and the opening right here, and the shape just sits well on. This is so cute though. I really like it. Alright guys, this sunglasses is everything. You guys can see the reflection of my ring light. But this sunglasses is so cute, and it's cheap and it's affordable. Really cute, really nice. And if you want them to put your prescription in this, they could do that also. So yeah, I really like this sunglasses. It looks cute, it's funky. You guys can see that is the shape right here is not straight, it's like geometric situation going on right here. I love it. And at the bottom right over here, it like have like an opening over there at the bottom. Really cute, really nice. And it has this little accent, a little bit of a stud right over there. I love this. You guys should check Fytoo out, and also don't forget to use my Alright guys, this is this one on. I'm not gonna say this is one of my favorite, but it's not bad, it's not cute. For me, I don't think it looks really cute on me. And I like the fact that the shade itself, it's pretty dark. Like, it's pretty dark. Like, for in the sun, it will protect your eyes from anything like the sun, the ray, and all that good stuff. So this is what this one looks like. It's not as big as I hope it's going to be, but it's not bad either. Really cute, really nice. I'm not hating. Some now put on to go to the pool, to run down the street real quick, to go to Walmart and just, you know, go shopping and all that good stuff. So not bad. The last one comes in this bag right over here. Okay, comes in this bag. It looks like this. It has a zipper. It looks like the bag your nipple covers come in. It's like it folds. Y'all see that? It folds. Put it open. Okay, y'all, this is the last one, and this one right here is interesting. Okay, this is very, very interesting because it folds right here, right there, and then it folds right there, and then it folds right there. Okay guys, this is the one that came in the small little pack that I was showing you guys. My camera kind of cut off, so I couldn't show you guys what it looks like on. This is what it looks like on. It is so cool and it's so dark. Like I said, this is always going to be in my bag. It is not going to be bulky. It comes in that little pouch that I showed you guys earlier. And yeah, so cute, so nice. And yeah guys, thank you so much. Everything that I have about the glasses will definitely be in my description box, my coupon code and all that good stuff. Don't forget to check it out and let me know how you guys feel about Fytoo. Thank you again to Fytoo for sending me these glasses to review for you guys. All right guys, until next time, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.